Hi there, thanks for joining us. This short video will show how game masters who have submitted events in prior years or who have recently submitted events can either edit, duplicate, or update those events to a current proposal. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Upon logging into the KublaCon event site, it automatically searches for events that you're game mastering. If you don't see those, then use the search tools and find games that you're running. In this example, you can see that I submitted an event called Mountain Thunder, a Dwarven Dig tournament. I'd like to edit this event because, to be honest, the name is a little bit long. You can see that I have two choices, to edit or duplicate. In this case, I'll choose Edit. This brings us to the Edit or Add an Event page. You'll note that it looks pretty much exactly like creating a new event, but some of the options are not available to change when you're editing it. For example, you cannot change your preferred time or the duration. In this case, I'd like to change the title of the event so that it's a little bit shorter. I know that Dwarven Dig already shows in the game system, so I don't really need that in the title of the event. I'm going to shorten it to Dig. And again, just like adding an event, click the Continue button after you've made your changes. It'll take you to page 2 of the form where, if you like, you can make changes to that page. And once you make the changes, you can preview your submission, scroll to the bottom. If you need to make changes, then choose Edit Submission. But otherwise, click the Finalize button and your changes will take effect. You'll then get a notice that your event was successfully entered. You may need to go back to the Games and Events menu and choose Games I'm Running to get back to a list of just the games you're running. Now that I've corrected the name on the event, I'd actually like to run this event more than once. So this is where I can choose the Duplicate button. The Duplicate feature automatically fills out all of the information from the event that I had previously submitted. But in this case, I must choose a different date or time. I can even change the description a little bit if I need to. So I will add a new time to Saturday at 7 p.m. and continue to the next page. Make any changes there that I might want, preview my submission, and then finally, at the bottom of the preview page, I'll see the button to Add as New Event, Duplicate. Again, I'll get the confirmation of the added event, and I'll return to the search of the events that I'm running. Now you can see that I have an additional event for the Dwarven Dig tournament. At the very top of this list, I have the Kilt Day group photo session that is a prior year event. I'm going to choose to update that to a proposal for this year. Click the link. All the details from the prior year event are already filled out. If I want to change the time, duration, description, or pretty much anything about the event, I can do that. I'll just click Continue to go to page 2 where I can also make some changes. And once I'm happy with that, I'll click Preview My Submission. I'll review it carefully, and then click Finalize. With that, my prior year event is now an event proposal for the new year. I hope you found all of this helpful. As you can see, we really try to make it as easy as possible for game masters to give us great events and help us put on a great KublaCon.